Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. Today, I'm gonna be guiding you through a quick and a simple way to log into your Rapids wallet application. The process is quite easy, so let's jump right into the video. First things first, open your Rapids wallet app from your app drawer. Now, you will be able to see this interface. Simply tap on the Enter Wallet List option and all of your wallet that you've created will be displayed on the page. Select your wallet you'd like to sign in with and tap on it. It'll then prompt you to enter your wallet's password. It is crucial to remember your wallet password so that you can get hold to your wallet back again. Go ahead and enter your correct password that you created while signing up for your wallet and tap on the Unlock Wallet button. And there you have successfully logged into your Rapid Wallet account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.